Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling the essentials so the process moves fast. Start filling the police verification form while you have ID and proof of address at hand. This reduces back and forth. Make sure the names and addresses match exactly across documents because mismatches cause delays. Once done, attach 2 passport photos and list reliable referees or previous landlords for contact checks. You are initiating checks now, not waiting. Submit a complete packet to the verifying station to avoid immediate. You now submit the packet and move into active monitoring. Hand the documents to the designated desk or upload them to the official portal and insist on a receipt or reference ID so you can track status. This proves submission. Make sure you sign consent forms and provide accurate phone numbers because investigators will call referees. Once submitted, check status regularly and log reference ID. This prevents surprises and lets you prompt action if checks stall. You complete the process by collecting the report and verifying its contents. Read every name, date, and address carefully because corrections must be requested promptly. If everything is accurate, retain a certified copy for employers or agencies. If you find an error or the report is delayed, first contact the desk with your receipt and reference ID. If unresolved, escalate to the station inspector or file a formal complaint. This step closes the loop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.